everyone. A lot of people have asked me, how to do my daily look. This is my daily natural look. For some, it's a lot, so you can take it from day to party. When we go back and party, you can take it from a day look or a night look or a day wedding look. But this is my kind of everyday look going to work. I have 19 steps to get to this face. In my everyday look, I do incorporate a little contouring. I do incorporate a concealer. I do shade in my eyebrows. I do highlighter. Some people might not want to do that every day, but that's my work look. If you want to learn how to do any of those things, please watch this video. This look takes about 15 minutes for me to do, sometimes in my car on the way to work, but I can do it almost with my eyes closed. It may take you a little longer, especially the first time. So practice, 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 and you can get to